Khulum kata koktai buhuk song no joton no lamsogo haina haiti feke nongni bagai katal job notification ei takotai buhuk song Tripura Gramin Bank ni hoite nongkoka katal job notification ka job notification nongkoma jaga tam tam tong sab apply khlainya thangtini tam tam nang phaidi video wa sengka hamke saimelani ei takotai buhuk song Tripura Gramin Bank ni hoite nongkoka katal job notification ngake o jaga tam tam tong phaidi nainai IBPS Gramin Bank recruitment 2024 total number of vacancy hingake 9995 jonani bagai o jaga job notification talangkha post ni bumung grok organization ni bumung tonogin tongna Institute of Banking Personnel IBPS ni bhakti talangkha katal job notification ora IBPS o tangnai exam rogroinai no job no manai name of the post hingake office assistant officer scale 1 officer scale 2 officer scale 3 law officer marketing officer scale 2 agriculture officer IT officer general banking officer scale 2 and other tebo multi-purpose ro ojagawa job no hojak tongo total number of vacancy hingke 9995 jona ni bage ojagawa job notification nohoka job location hingke Agartala Tripura ono norok job no manui mano job type hingke tondora oro saino manghana bank ni job apply mode hingke norok online no norok apply ma khlainai sab apply khlaima hingke all India ni candidate no o jagao apply khlaimano tai chela tai buribo o jagao apply khlaimano salary hingke as per rules Gramin Bank ni je salary structure jak tongo a structure baino oro salary manui mano educational qualification ni kok sana thangke to candidate should have passed graduate in any discipline from recognized university or institute intakte buksang any graduate pass sungjak haikaba college pass sungjak hingkano noro o job ni bagai apply haikaba eligible hinai noro apply khlaimano required skill hingke freshers phono noro o jago apply khlaimano selection process hingke pre tai main exam tai main exam banyo noro o jago o job no manui mano application fee ni kok sana thangke to general OBC hingke 850 টাকা o jago GST bo tongnai ST SC PWD rok hingke 175 টাকা norok application fee marnai apply payment mode hingke online by credit debit card haikeba net banking by norok o job ni apply fee rok norok marnai age limit hingke 18 বছর ni simi 28 বছর jora o jago norok o job ni bagai 18 বছর jora norok o job no apply khlaimano age relaxation hingke ST SC rok hingke 5 বছর haikeba OBC rok hingke 3 বছর jora norok oro age relaxation bo tongo gaite bo saimana musung kahamke saimana musung khai norok description link rijak tongo o link ko thanginai official notification download khlainai kahamke pori buji akoinai norok apply khlaike belekeno chanai ngake important dates rok ni kok sana thangto starting date for apply online hingke 7 June no o job ni apply arambho ongoi thanga last date hingke 27 June 2024 jora noro o job no apply khlaimano pre exam date hingke August no nongno pre exam ongnai August 2024 main exam hingke September haikeba October no job ni main exam rok bo conduct ngai thangnai hingke apply link ko noro apply 1 apply 2 apply link 3 wo click khainai norok je hamjak mani no click khainai norok je hamjak post o apply khlaimano hingke official notification bo rijak tongo oro norok download khlainai official notification bo naimano hingke tinin bagai asano sitong takte bukhukjang norok ni jotono no hambai।